Okay, we got a Myford fully automatic grinder here. It is an MG12 automatic cycle traverse and plunge grinder. Serial number HPT 140710. It's a new one, 1978 is what I come up with. Okay, very nice tooling package. I'm gonna have photos of this all too here. Looks like wheel dressers and hubs and you name it. If you're a Myford guy, you'll know what the tooling is. Looks like there's a Collet, place for a Collet nose on this thing. Anyways, let's hear it run. Let's do what we can. I'm not sure how to run it automatic, but I'll show you the spindles running and everything. Speed that table up if we can. There we go. Your hydraulic tank, coolant tank. There's your adjustment. Here's your control panel. I guess if I could point out one little imperfection, it's missing one of these little black knobs. But it can still be turned. A guy could get one of those. It looks like about a 1/4 inch square. Okay. Other than that, she's a really nice machine. Thanks for watching.